Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update PHP version for your WordPress site using the cPanel. So let's get started. Here you can see in my website system health check, it shows that my website is running on older version of PHP 8.1.33 and we have to update this with our latest PHP version 8.3. So we have to go on our cPanel and search here PHP version. You can see the select PHP version here. Click on it. So it will loading. So we have to wait a few seconds. And here you can see current PHP version is 8.1. So we have to click on it and select 8.4 because 8.4 is the latest PHP version. Just click on apply. And here we go. You can see when we refresh our system health, it will show the current version is 8.4. It's upgraded successfully or not, let's check. You can see our site is running a recommended version of PHP 8.4.13. So we are running in this version.